How to video call on WhatsApp. You can start a video call on WhatsApp in two ways. The first method is when you have a chat with a person. You can tap on that conversation. Here you have two buttons on the top, audio and video. Tap on the camera video call. Another way is to tap on the calls tab from the top. If you have not started a conversation with a specific person, to start the call, tap on the call sign from the bottom. On the contact list, select the one you wish to call. Now, your call is starting. The same options that you have on the video call options, you have also on the audio calls. You can also switch audio calls to video calls. Also, you can mute your microphone in the call if you need that. You can tap on the switch camera button to change between your camera. If you tap on the small window, you can see that bigger. You can invite other person on the call if you tap on the button from the top. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.